Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. This is a 2012 BMW 328i, and it came with the check engine light, evap codes, and the owner notified me that it also had a fuel leak when the tank was topped off. So they kept driving around without topping it off halfway. So I did do a smoke test to see if I can find issue. I was not able to see any smoke anywhere. However, since they were mentioning it was at full level and it was leaking from the driver's side, I assumed that it's the fuel tank. So once I removed it, here's the fuel tank removed. This is the driver's side, this is the passenger side where the pump is. There's no leaks around here. This area was dry also because they were keeping the tank low. But if I tilt it up, it starts leaking from here because there's still some gas in there and it leaks out from here. So this part has failed. I did get a new tank from the BMW. It was about $1,000. This is the part number. So it's the upside down. So you can find it from your local BMW dealership. So what I did to remove it is I disconnected the battery first, removed the connections to the fuel pump. Then I raised the car up, removed the exhaust, removed the heat shields. These. I'm not gonna go in detail because if you're gonna be doing it by yourself at this point, you should be able to know how to do those things. At least you should be able to figure it out. If you're not able to, you probably shouldn't be working on it, on a fuel tank job. But next step, I disconnected the drive shaft, and then there was some couple covers over here. Removed two screws over here on the fuel tank. This is the filler neck. It connects with a clamp onto the tank. There's this one hose that goes on the side. It does have one white plastic clip on it. You have to kind of pull it out and then it pops right off. And there's nothing else really connected to the tank. The only issue are these emergency brake cables that connect to the rear wheels, and those hold the tank up. So what I did was I removed the passenger side brakes and the shoes, and I was able to slide the cable out. And then the driver's side, I just popped this one down like this, and it gave me enough room to be able to slide it out and maneuver the whole tank down. That's about it. So I didn't need to remove both sides, only one side. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to move the pump to the new tank and just go back installing the rest of the items back. So I just want to show you guys a quick look at what it's gonna take to fix this car, and how the way I did it. If you like the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. There's more videos gonna come soon. Thank you for watching. Okay, so here's the new tank taking place. I started already. It runs nice, no issues.